In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Google Keep Notes. Before we get started, it's important to know that Google Keep does not have a native built-in lock feature on desktop. So if you're looking for a true password lock or private note lock inside Google Keep itself, that option is not currently available. This means you can't directly secure an individual note with a separate lock the way you might in some other note-taking apps. That said, there is still a simple workaround you can use if your goal is to make certain notes less visible in your main workspace. The closest thing you can do on desktop is to hide notes from your main view by archiving them. Archiving does not lock the note, and it does not prevent someone with access to your Google Keep account from opening it, but it does move the note out of the main notes area so it stays out of sight unless someone specifically goes looking for it. To do this, open Google Keep and locate the note you want to hide. Once you find it, move your mouse over that note. When you hover over it, a row of note controls will appear. These controls give you quick access to different actions you can take without opening the note fully. Look for the archive icon. It may appear as a file or tray style icon with a vertical arrow in it. Click that icon and the note will immediately be removed from your main view and placed into your archived notes section. This is useful if you want to reduce clutter or keep personal notes from being immediately visible on your home screen. Just keep in mind that archiving is mainly an organization feature, not a security feature. If someone opens the archive section, they can still see the notes. So if you're handling truly sensitive information, it's a good idea not to rely on Google Keep archiving as a replacement for actual protection. Instead, use it as a visibility tool to keep notes tucked away from the main dashboard. So to recap, Google Keep on desktop does not let you lock notes directly, but you can archive a note to hide it from your primary view. Hover over the note, find the archive icon with the vertical arrow, and click it to move the note out of sight. And that's how to lock Google Keep Notes, or more accurately, how to use archiving as the closest available option on desktop.